to the coin laundry shop. This is our first time, but we read the instruction and I watched some videos about how to use coin laundry shop. So we have less than 7 kilos of laundry clothes. So the first thing, the other machines are full. So I got this video. So what I did is, let me walk you through. So here, as a preparation, you put your clothes inside and then choose which selection do you want. If it's 15 kilos wash and dry, 8 kilos wash and dry, wash only, dry only. And there's corresponding payments. And since we have less than 8 kilos, we'll get the 8 kilos wash and dry. And then after you put your clothes, you put the money for payment and close the door. Ta-da! You can wash it. So some people, most people wanted to clean the drum first. I did that a while ago. Sorry. So you close the door, close it, and then press this black one. It will clean the drum. But since I was able to do it a while ago, so it won't clean anymore. So we'll start our laundry. So step 1, put your things inside. Close the door. Step 2 is to choose what you want to do and then put money inside. Now, if you don't have enough coins, there's a coin machine here. So you put your 1,000 yen inside and it'll give you 1,000 yen coins. And use the 1,000 yen. It's in paying. It's counting how much yen I'm putting. Too many coins. There. Oh, boy. Ah. Oh, last one. Yay! And it's starting to wash. So we have to wait 50 minutes and your clothes are ready, clean and dry. See you later.